This is Dr. Eric with ICE Clinics bringing you your next segment of Ask the Docs, where we answer your questions. And for those of you who have questions you'd like to ask, we have a box at the front desk. Feel free to write your question on a slip, your name, and we'll answer your questions in these segments. Tonight's questions comes from Noriko, where she is asking about what supplements should people be taking. And that's a pretty loaded question because depending on what people are doing, what their lifestyle, what their diet, what their activity is like, it could depend on what type of supplements you should probably be taking. Ideally, we want to be getting the best supplementation and nutrition from our diet, but sometimes it's not always possible, so we can depend on supplemental help. And so tonight what we want to talk about especially is, you can kind of see behind me, it is dark outside. This video right now is being filmed at the beginning of December. It's dark, and so we're going to talk about vitamin D. Vitamin D we normally get and our body makes as we are in sunlight, but in the darker months and even in the daytime, the sun is lower in the sky, we don't get as much sunlight exposure and our bodies can't create as much vitamin D. And so it helps to be able to supplement it. But with supplementing vitamin D, because of all of its great purposes such as bone health, immune health, and absorption of other nutrients, it's also important to note the importance of magnesium. Magnesium plays many roles in the body, and it wouldn't be appropriate to have one video to list all of those reasons because that list just goes on and on and on. But the relationship between magnesium and vitamin D is really important. We need magnesium in our body to be able to help vitamin D to be made. Vitamin D, when it's being made in our body, is happening in the liver and in the kidneys. Magnesium helps that process to kind of spur along a little bit easier. And I should clarify here, you do not need to take magnesium and vitamin D at the same time. But you don't have to do that. You can, but it's not necessary. You need to have magnesium in your body for vitamin D to be able to be made and to run its course. And funny enough, the other way around is vitamin D in your body helps magnesium to be absorbed a little bit better into the body as well. So as far as the role and the importance of vitamin D this time of year, especially this time of year, it's important to make sure that you're getting enough magnesium in your body as well. And we can talk more about the effects of magnesium and many other supplements, but tonight, as far as two supplements we want to focus on the most, vitamin D and magnesium. And you can ask us more about this in person. We can talk about it a little bit more. We have supplements that we love here in the office, but as always, we try to recommend getting that nutrition from your diet. So again, this is Dr. Eric with ICE Clinics. Thank you for watching.